Okay, Saturday morning. I'm gonna do a little exploring around Cusco. Not sure if you can even hear me behind this mask, which we all hate, but we all know it's important. I just left home. Gonna wander around the city, see what I can see what's going on a Saturday morning. Things are so incredibly quiet now. Usually this little street, even though it's just a pedestrian only street, we'll have lots of tourists heading out for breakfast. About to go on day tours, which usually start around 8:30, 9 o'clock. Right now, it's only me.